breathtaking beauty and tranquil ambience. This report delves into the rich history of Maya Bay, tracing its origins, cultural significance, environmental challenges, and the measures taken to preserve its natural splendor. Origins and cultural significance. Maya Bay's history dates back centuries, with indigenous peoples inhabiting the Phi Phi Islands long before the arrival of modern civilization. These early settlers revered the bay for its pristine waters, lush vegetation, and abundant marine life, considering it a sacred place of natural wonder. In more recent times, Maya Bay gained international recognition following its appearance in the 2000 blockbuster film The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio. The movie catapulted Maya Bay into the global spotlight, attracting throngs of tourists eager to experience its idyllic scenery firsthand. Tourism boom and environmental impact. The sudden influx of tourists sparked a tourism boom in the region, with thousands of visitors flocking to Maya Bay each day to soak in its beauty. However, this unprecedented surge in tourism took a toll on the fragile ecosystem of the bay. Unregulated boat traffic, overfishing, pollution, and irresponsible tourism practices began to degrade the marine environment and threaten the delicate balance of the coral reefs and marine life that thrived in the area. Concerns grew over the long-term sustainability of Maya Bay and the need to protect its natural resources for future generations. Conservation efforts and rehabilitation. Recognizing the urgent need for action, Thai authorities implemented measures to mitigate the environmental impact of tourism on Maya Bay. In 2018, the government made the landmark decision to close Maya Bay to visitors indefinitely, allowing the ecosystem to recover from years of damage. During the closure, extensive rehabilitation efforts were undertaken to restore the bay's coral reefs, marine habitats, and shoreline vegetation. These initiatives included coral transplantation, beach cleanups, and the implementation of sustainable tourism practices to ensure the long-term preservation of Maya Bay's natural beauty. Reopening and sustainable tourism. After an extensive 2-year closure, Maya Bay reopened to visitors in 2021, albeit with strict regulations and limited access to protect its fragile ecosystem. Sustainable tourism initiatives were implemented to regulate visitor numbers, minimize environmental impact, and promote responsible behavior among tourists. Visitors to Maya Bay are now required to adhere to guidelines such as no littering, no touching or damaging coral reefs, and no anchoring boats within the bay. Additionally, a daily cap on the number of tourists allowed to visit the bay helps prevent overcrowding and allows the ecosystem to thrive. Future challenges and conclusion. While significant progress has been made in the conservation of Maya Bay, the challenges of preserving this natural treasure are ongoing. Continued monitoring, research, and community engagement are essential to ensure the long-term sustainability of Maya Bay and the surrounding marine environment. In conclusion, Maya Bay stands as a testament to the resilience of nature and the importance of responsible tourism practices in safeguarding our planet's fragile ecosystems. By working together to protect places like Maya Bay, we can ensure that future generations can continue to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of this pristine paradise. Exploring Maya Bay, a tourist's guide to Thailand's paradise. Welcome to Maya Bay, a paradise nestled amidst the stunning Phi Phi Islands in Thailand. This report serves as your comprehensive guide to the captivating tourist attractions that await you in Maya Bay. From pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters to vibrant marine life and cultural landmarks, Maya Bay offers an unforgettable experience for travelers seeking adventure, relaxation, and natural beauty. Beaches and scenic landscapes. Maya Bay is renowned for its breathtaking beaches and scenic landscapes that beckon visitors to unwind and soak in the tropical splendor. The main attraction is the crescent-shaped Maya Beach, framed by towering limestone cliffs and fringed by powdery white sand. Here, you can bask in the warm sun, swim in the azure waters, or simply marvel at the panoramic views of the surrounding scenery. Beyond Maya Beach, explore the hidden coves and secluded bays that the coastline of Maya Bay. Lo Sama Bay, Pile Lagoon, and Wan Long Cove are just a few of the enchanting spots waiting to be discovered, each offering its own unique charm and natural beauty. Snorkeling and diving. Venture beneath the surface of Maya Bay's crystal-clear waters and discover a vibrant underwater world teeming with marine life. Snorkeling and diving enthusiasts will delight in the kaleidoscopic coral reefs, colorful fish, and fascinating sea creatures that inhabit the depths of the bay. Popular snorkeling and diving sites in Maya Bay include Hin Klang, a shallow reef known for its abundance of coral and marine biodiversity, and Beta Nok, a pinnacle dive site where you can encounter reef sharks, turtles, and other marine species. Whether you're a novice snorkeler or experienced diver, Maya Bay offers unforgettable aquatic adventures for all skill levels. Island hopping and boat tours. Embark on an island hopping adventure and explore the picturesque Phi Phi Islands that surround Maya Bay. Join a boat tour or rent a longtail boat to visit nearby attractions such as Bamboo Island, Monkey Beach, and Viking Cave, each offering its own distinct allure and natural wonders. Experience the thrill of cruising through the turquoise waters of the Andaman Sea, stopping to snorkel, swim, and sunbathe at various island destinations along the way. Whether you prefer a leisurely sightseeing cruise or an adrenaline-fueled speedboat excursion, island hopping is a must-do activity for visitors to Maya Bay. Sunset cruises and romantic escapes. As the day draws to a close, treat yourself to a magical sunset cruise around Maya Bay and witness the sky ablaze with hues of orange, pink, and gold. Sunset cruises offer a romantic and unforgettable way to experience the beauty of Maya Bay, with options ranging from private yacht charters to group catamaran tours. Toast to the beauty of nature as you sail past limestone cliffs, hidden coves, and secluded beaches bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply seeking a romantic escape, a sunset cruise in Maya Bay promises to create cherished memories that last a lifetime. Conclusion and recommendations. In conclusion, Maya Bay stands as a premier tourist destination in Thailand, offering a wealth of attractions and activities for travelers of all ages and interests. Whether you're seeking relaxation on the beach, adventure beneath the waves, or romance under the stars, Maya Bay has something for everyone to enjoy. As you plan your visit to Maya Bay, remember to respect the natural environment and follow sustainable tourism practices to help preserve this pristine paradise for future generations. With its unparalleled beauty and endless opportunities for adventure, Maya Bay awaits your exploration and discovery, taking beauty and tranquil ambience. This report delves into the rich history of Maya Bay, tracing its origins, cultural significance, environmental challenges, and the measures taken to preserve its natural splendor. Origins and cultural significance. Maya Bay's history dates back centuries, with indigenous peoples inhabiting the Phi Phi Islands long before the arrival of modern civilization. These early settlers revered the bay for its pristine waters, lush vegetation, and abundant marine life, considering it a sacred place of natural wonder. In more recent times, Maya Bay gained international recognition following its appearance in the 2000 blockbuster film The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio. The movie catapulted Maya Bay into the global spotlight, attracting throngs of tourists eager to experience its idyllic scenery firsthand. Tourism boom and environmental impact. The sudden influx of tourists sparked a tourism boom in the region, with thousands of visitors flocking to Maya Bay each day to soak in its beauty. However, this unprecedented surge in tourism took a toll on the fragile ecosystem of the bay. Unregulated boat traffic, Overfishing, pollution, and irresponsible tourism practices began to degrade the marine environment and threaten the delicate balance of the coral reefs.